happening.
Voice of People's Party candidate Dr. Ricky Singkon is keen to bring the idea of clean politics in Meghalaya. Singkon, who is contesting the Lok Sabha election from Shillong parliamentary seat, cast his vote at the Glaken Academy in Shillong. Speaking to media person, Singkon said that he wants to change the way political parties campaign this time and wants to bring clean politics in the state for the benefit of the people and the state. Expressing hopefulness that the VPP will win the Shillong seat, he said that the party and its workers have worked very hard, and seeing people's love for them, he is confident that the VPP will win the polls.
As a party, we really covered all the 36 constituency to see with our own eyes, to hear whether the problems, the expectation, aspiration of people, and so we've seen a lot. And I think as a party, we will take up these issues, and which are, in fact, most of which are already there in our manifesto.